Hi, at ReasonLabs we provide enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. Today I'm going to guide you on how to remove the online security extension from your Chrome browser. As you can see, the online security extension is installed on your browser, ensuring that your web browsing experience stays secure, actively detecting threats, and monitoring your information for data leaks. To get more information about the features of the online security extension, please follow the link below. If you have decided that you no longer require the online security extension, the removal process is very simple. Two simple methods to remove the extension. You can right-click on the online security extension icon and select Remove from Chrome. Or you can click on the Chrome extensions icon, locate the online security extension, and select Remove from Chrome. You will then get a standard Chrome notification to confirm that you wish to uninstall the online security extension. Click Remove to complete the removal process. You have now successfully removed the online security extension from your device. Remember, if you ever need to use the extension again, you can always add the online security to your browser from the Chrome Web Store. If you have any additional question, you can always contact us via our support form on our website, and one of our customer support representatives will be happy to assist. Thank you for watching. Stay cyber safe.